Siras. Can I go? Siras. Hello. How are you? Oh my God. You're not going to bite me, right? Oh man. I will. Siras. Oh, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Bye. I'll come back later, okay? You want to come with me? Okay, okay. Siras, 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 Siras. Bye bye, Siras. I will come back. Oh man, this mask is crazy. So today the day is again it's a new day. Do we need to know the date? Okay, by the way, I will tell you today the date is actually September 23rd. Yes, September 23rd, and the time is 1:30. And where am I? That's pretty tricky. So I'm in a very small village in what you call in Adana. I can't pronounce the name of the village, but I'm going to write just down here. Okay, this is a village in Adana, small village in Adana, but we have huge trucks. Wow, so good. So this is going to be interesting. I'm going to take you guys. Oh man, this is good. Can I go this side? Looks like somebody's farm. I don't know, is it allowed or not? But maybe. If they don't say anything, it's fine. Otherwise, I'll just go. So this is a village where they have farms. Wow, there's a lot of lemon here. But these are the plants which are ready to go for plantation. Check out this lemon. Wow, it's so much. This is so good. Okay. So, what's the date today, guys? So the date is it's 23rd February 2021, and the time is around 1:30. So yesterday night I came here, and after after Adana, I met my car surfer, and he got me here. So it's around 25 kilometers. I came here. We had food in his house. They made the food. It was so good. It was so tasty. It was so yummy. Thank you, thank you. His name is Ahmed. Thank you, Ahmed. And to your family, it was so amazing. I'm telling you. I mean, after hitchhiking the whole day. Good, good. Çok güzel. YouTube. Okay? Kapat. So this is the name of the village which I was talking about. So when the name starts like this, means you're about to enter the village. If there is a cross mark, means you're exiting the village. So this is like really interesting sign to tell that, hey, where are you actually? So that's interesting. But check this place, man. This is so beautiful village. I always love villages because that's a pretty natural thing, you know, like they're authentic, they are good, their life is so simple, no rush, nothing. But of course the vehicles are in a pretty rush. Oh, cool. Hello, doggy. You go? Okay. No? Bye. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, let's go. Come. No? Orange, orange, orange. My God. This is a big orange plantation. Ooh, almost finished. Only one tree where I can see orange. Oh my God. Can I pick up a couple of orange? Friend. Okay? Okay. Ooh, orange from the tree. This is incredible. Wow. Just pick up from the tree and eat. What else you need? Wow. It's not easy to peel, but it's not hard too. But it's so good. You're like literally eating from the tree, you know. Wow. Okay, let's check out this lemon, man. Lemon is so big and huge. Check this out. Ooh la la. Wow, check them. Actually, they are trying to actually take the filter the mud so that all the roots are gone, and you know, like and they powder the thing and they pack it something like this, you know, and they put the, see, you can see a lot of trees, and in that they put the seeds so that the seeds can grow up. That's interesting, very much interesting. And by the way, this is their greenhouse. They are actually going to clean the whole place. Slowly they are going to go. My God, this is awesome. Oh, pretty hard work. Oh, I found fish. My God, there are a lot of fish here. No, it's a turtle. My God, that's a turtle. How many turtles are here? Ooh la la. The whole river is like full of turtle. What is your name? Hawa. Air. Wind. Hawa, you want to talk? Want to say something, Hawa? No. Hello, brother. How are you? Good. Chokuzal. What do you do? Name.
Yes.
What's your name? Your name?
Name?
Yes. Hello. Hawa, say something, Hawa. Huh? I'll give. This is roti.
Hello.
Hey, they give me tea.
Huh?
Huh?
How are you?
I'm good.
I'm good?
Very good.
Yes.
Very good. This is interesting. Look at the shoes up here. Cleaning clothes. How are you? Good? Who's that? Huh? Who's that? What is that? 1 second. Hello. Oh man, this is interesting part. Check this place. This is the whole settlement actually. So, looks like they are nomads. You know, like they go every place and they have a settlement. Wow, this place is awesome. I'm telling you, it's incredible. Okay, it's up to there. From here, it's different. Cool. And the sun is so belting hard. Few days back, I was like, whoa man, it's winter, winter. And now it's so summer, summer. Lot of cars going, man. Pretty dangerous. Oh yeah, again the settlement started here. So hot. Why am I even wearing this? I don't understand. I think I have to remove it. Okay, again the settlement starts. Wow. They have everything, from TV to power to everything. One day it's so cold, I'm like above the mountains, and now today I'm like literally on the land, which is so crazy warm, hot. And of course I'm wearing this so warm clothes. It makes me so... Oh shit, my mask. Hello, Marhaba. Marhaba. Yes, where you coming? So warm. Oh my god, I don't know what to do. Bye bye, gule gule. Hello, how are you? What is your name? My name is Sean. Amir. Guys, summer is here. I can officially tell you that summer is in Turkey. It's already landed in Turkey. Okay, so if you're waiting for summer, this is the time. Okay, only in the night it's pretty cold, but in the daytime, oh man, I have to remove that. Oh man, I feel so good. So tomorrow I'm going to wear shorts. Actually I'm wearing shorts, but I have to carry. I don't know why I'm even wearing shorts. Not wearing shorts in this climate. What is that? Frog. They throw everything, like from plastic to vegetable to fruit, my god, to napkin to tissue. Oh la la. No, that's not good. You should separate, otherwise it's a big problem. Oh, now I'm feeling really good. But I have to carry this. Huge. After a long time, you guys would have seen me with this t-shirt. Have a good day. What is this? Today is a good day. Cool. It's a big truck like yesterday. Oh la la. Bam bam. Woo. Yesterday my truck, yes. Yesterday I was traveling something in that type of truck. Huge truck. Wow.
Hani görünmüyor.
Oh, it's okay.
Okay.
Okay, turn. Like that.
Böyle.
No, like that.
Böyle.
Burada. Wow, check this out. My God, the first time I'm seeing something like this. And fully, totally dusty. Oh. Let me go forward because it's totally dust. Man, this guy is very fast. Maybe here. Oh, here we come. Oh, this is incredible. How come the shape is like this? Where are you? Where are you? Oh, it's here. Like a shape of a chili. How come the shape? This lemon is the shape of a chili, man. Oh, check this, guys. Oh, so interesting. It's like a chili, man. The shape of a chili. How come? Crazy. That's nature, buddy. That's nature. Don't destroy it, okay? Oh, wow. Can you guys see? There is a moon and there's a flight going on top of the moon. Wow. And of course, there are lemon in the shape of a chili. The combination. But check this out. You know what? It's time to actually end this episode. And if you subscribe, if you share, if you comment, if you what is man? What is that? Yeah, if you join, I'll give you free lemon chili. You know, what do you guys say? That would be interesting, right? So this episode is officially ending here in this beautiful garden. Yeah, I feel good that every time now, from now onwards, mostly you guys can see me in different t-shirts or shades, because it's been a long time, you know, because of summer I'm like literally wearing only one type of cloth, that's jacket, because it's very cold outside. So this is the end of this episode. Hope you guys enjoy and liked it and share it, and please do the needful. See you tomorrow.
Çok güzel. Dur sormama dur.
His car is stuck now.
Abi. Biraz öne, biraz geri. Biraz öne, biraz geri. Atanı çektirme. Şurada küreci al.
No, you're digging more.